Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable auto-update for WhatsApp on both Android and iOS. This way, you'll never miss out on the latest features and improvements WhatsApp has to offer. So, let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone. Next, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a menu. From here, select Settings. In the Settings menu, you'll want to scroll down and tap on App Updates. Once you're in the App Updates section, you'll see an option to enable Auto Update. Turn this option on to make sure WhatsApp updates automatically as soon as a new version is available. And that's it. Now WhatsApp will automatically update whenever a new version is released. This ensures you're always using the latest features and security updates.